futures on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Start to rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market, where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future, everything's alright. Dream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with NASDAQ guidance, we can conquer all.
All right, Futures crew. Good morning. Monday again. Let's get into it. See if we can find Futures floor.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My layouts. You're on. Is the application audio working? Speak or forever hold your peace.
I shall not speak. I do not speak on command.
That's why I hate application audio. Every time I gotta reset it. It's not bringing you in. I don't know.
What?
That's why it's in beta.
I hear me.
Speak again, sire.
I don't hear you.
There you go.
Hello?
It's working.
Can't tell if that's the real you or the other you.
It's the real me. What do you mean the other you? 50-minute chart. This one? Did we get lucky?
I think it's you.
It is.
I can't tell. No, because I hear you, but then I hear the other you.
What other me? There is no other me. There's only one of me.
There is when I'm checking the audio.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. It's
9:28:30.
It's Monday. Look, we showed up. Let's just try to do the best we can.
Weekend was good a little bit.
It was a long weekend, wasn't it?
I think you spoke there. I think you're cutting in and out.
You think I'm cutting in and out?
Yeah. I kind of heard like you spoke. I don't know, when I said, was your weekend good, did you answer?
I think I did. Yeah.
Anyways, we'll figure it out. Let's just take a quick look here. Swept the Asia lows. Didn't sweep the Asia highs. That's bearish. Let me go to the 1 minute. We're just a little bit above VWAP, and we're under previous day's close. So that's the really bad area for me. Omnius, you want to take a look at the 4 hour to daily? You want me to take a quick look at it? 4 hours very strong.
Yeah, I'm taking a look. I'm noticing that my drawlings are back the way they're supposed to be, even though I never put them back again. This is a weird chart. Remember Friday I was complaining my drawlings are all screwed up.
Yeah.
Now they're back the way they're supposed to be.
Whoa,
I don't know.
Man.
Damn rollovers. All right. This line here, the reddish line, is our previous all-time high. We broke above it. Came back down, tested it. Nice wick. Shot off of it. Lots of momentum there. Pushed up, making new highs again. Pull back. New highs again. Pull back. I mean, for now, I see no reason to believe anything other than what the chart's been telling us. It's just going up until it tells us something different.
Yeah.
Right down to the 1 hour chart. Same thing. Pull back. See it trying to push up. It is open. We do know that. Sometimes the open likes to drop and then go. So just want to keep an eye on that. Not really anything exciting in the charts. It's just up. We could it's all time. I see everybody.
Could you imagine someone telling that to you? You know, yeah, I bought this stock and there's really not anything exciting except it just keeps going up. You'd tell them to fuck off, shut up, be happy.
It sounds like me with my stocks, to be honest with you.
Yeah, not much to see here.
Well, not really much going on, man. It's going up. Now I gotta go sell some of my stocks, man. We like it to go up, but there's a such thing as too much. We know we gotta have a pullback. We know we want a Christmas rally, so in order to have a Christmas rally, we gotta have a pullback. Just the way life works. Nobody gets to have it all. 30-minute chart. We're pushing out the gate, ain't we? All right, pushing up to the open.
Yeah.
Zoom out one more time. Let's do our bullish bearish case. Bulls, I gotta give above the open.
Every time the market opens.
Build structure, push up, test the high again. Bears, they want to reject off of the open. Build structure, drop down. We could put a line here. Test the 24/7 break that, the 24/7 Mike, back to you.
Close.
What was that?
Like it. I had a good trade. Made $100 on my Bulenox funded account, or sim funded, whatever you want to call it. But lucky me, I got out with the wrong size. I was long, so it shorted, and it took away 70% of my profits. Now I'm only up $30. Not happy about that. It is what it is. Human error.
Blaming on the market. Well, I see everybody else do. And market.
Well, I hope my backup, let me see my backup. My charts are screwed up again. What is it? Every Monday I'm going to come in, my charts are going to be screwed up?
I think I'm looking at the wrong chart. This thing is just straight up, isn't it?
Yeah, it's going pretty strong.
Go then. Go straight up then. Do it. I have a quant tower chart somewhere. I don't know why it don't ever want to work. There we go. I was like, how are we at point of control when we've done nothing but push up? But I guess you zoom out. It was guess yesterday evening was just sideways.
Yesterday evening, I don't know. We went up a little. Oh, you were there. I streamed last night. We went up a little bit and then we came down. No, it wasn't too sideways. We did have a moment where it was sideways, but I wouldn't say it was.
What was the range?
Only sideways.
45
I mean, it
point
depends
range.
on the time frame you look at. Yeah, it depends on the time frame you look at, right?
Yeah.
If you're going to go to a higher time frame, yeah, that's what it's going to be.
Okay. Looks like it kept bouncing off of the open. Would assume if we drew a volume profile over here. Yeah, exactly. So it bounced off the value area high in the open all night, all evening yesterday. Bama, good morning. JC, good morning.
Bama.
Yeah, here. Got to make sure they didn't mute me again.
Who's they?
Whoever controls the streaming software. They're plotting against us. You never told me if you liked my video or not. I was going to put it on YouTube this morning, but you never said anything, so I didn't do it.
The one on, yeah, no, I'm not a fan of it. Only for one reason.
What reason?
How do I say it? Can I tell you later?
I suppose.
I think you know it.
How do I know?
Because you know me. I make a fuss about nothing. Hold on, let me change my close.
Did you see all the joyful comments on it?
No, I didn't actually. I did see you were last night. The last time I looked, you were at 400 and something on the views. The last I checked. I was gonna check this morning, but
It's got 1,000 views this morning, or like 30 something comments.
wow, nice.
Alex, good morning.
Hey, good morning, Alex. Good morning. I looked at it quickly. I thought it said "Good morning, Montreal." Well, I got a small trade here. We got a trade that triggered at 50, targeting 57. We're at 52. I'm in at 47. So I can take my 53, 54, 54, 56. That's about 57 there. That's good enough for me. I got in a few points earlier. That buys me the luxury of getting out. You're talking, but your face is not moving. How's that possible?
He's a, what do they call him? Can't never say it right. Transvilic.
No, it's not joking.
Look,
You're moving. I'm not. How's that possible?
Oh, I thought you were just sitting really still.
I just give up. I just give up.
Plus, you got your DVR on. You had it on yesterday. I kept looking at the stream, and I was like 5 minutes behind.
Yeah, you told me to do that.
Do what? What do you
change the DVR?
Oh,
Remember?
no.
Yeah, you was. I don't know. You said something about it. I just hear audio. Okay, I'll try and figure it out, guys.
He's got stage fright.
He's ready. A deer in headlights.
Wait, I saw you move.
Am I moving now?
Yeah,
I don't look. Really?
kind of in like a robotic way. Yeah, I see you on mine. I don't see you on yours.
No, mine somehow. My camera froze.
It froze on your stream, but not mine.
Yeah.
Tells you that it's where you're pulling in the camera.
Private channel.
Maybe reset it. Don't you have a reset option?
No, I'll go.
What do you mean? No.
I'll go out. Oh wait, is it working now? Well, do I need to move? Is that important? Is that an important part of the stream?
No, you don't need to move. Move tomorrow.
Okay, it looks like it's working.
Come back down and test this gap. See how we react here.
Oh, I'm not up. Yeah, you see, that's the DVR thing. Okay, yeah, there we go. That's true. It's easy for me to tell if it's working because I'm flashing in the background.
Flashing who?
I think.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Yeah, it's flashing.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, GPT did that for me.
Really?
Yeah. I was just working on an image and it said, you want me to make it animated like a GIF or something? I said, really? You can do that?
Heck yeah.
Okay. Go ahead. Have a good time. Okay, well, that's cool. You know what I like about that? I got in early, so I got my 7 points, and that trade actually was a loser.
At the last candle volume point of control, 815. Bammy, you looking for that one? We got 815. Did you
show the account?
Hit it? It showed that we hit it.
I like looking. You're right. You're
look
right.
At it wrong?
You're right. You're right.
What did I look at wrong? Oh, maybe that was before the open. Okay. The 30-minute candles, they're so huge, I can't tell where they're at.
I'm going to take a small trade here on another account. I'm going to try something.
Long?
It's my long. Yeah, it's based on the logic of the new bot that I coded. It does well, but it takes sizable losses. So what the hey?
Yeah, I don't like bots like that.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm changing it a little bit. I'm gonna change it so that it kind of takes smaller losses. Thing is, you have to give up on a lot of the trades also. That's the thing that bothers me. Anyways, I don't know. I'll play with it, but I do like it.
You know, I was just messing with you, right? It's literally what my bot does.
No, I know that, but your bot only takes one trade in the morning.
Yeah.
This trade's all day, so. Thank you. Look, it's like a radio station. It just needs fine tuning, you know. Right now I'm bringing in some static.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I agree with you also what you said yesterday about the highlight clips. I can say we stopped doing it. I stopped doing it. Let me load my software.
Oh yeah, I like the way you had it with the border around it and stuff. It looks nice.
Ah, okay. Oh, I thought you meant just we should do more highlight clips. Anyways, I just enabled
I like
the software there.
I like the way that one was set up.
Okay. Yeah, I enabled the highlight software, so say something funny.
Something funny. That was hilarious. Needs a backing track, the laugh track.
I was supposed to get that. I forgot. So what am I looking for?
Thought you were long.
A band bounce there. Yeah, gone. Long and gone. Over and out.
Does that mean I should get out of the trade?
I don't know. That means I wish you told me you were still in the trade. I like to take your exits. Your exits are better than mine.
All right, now it's just kind of stalling. We are pushing up the point of control. I don't like that.
Excuse me.
Take it for the 6 points.
A little bit over the pivot point. That's not supposed to be in Q on the bottom. That's supposed to be ES.
Kind of seemed like it stalled a bit, didn't it?
No instrument link.
There's our
I'm in a
order.
bad spot right now. I'm very disorganized, and to Try and take trades when you're very disorganized is not a good idea. Right?
Right. What were you saying?
I'm saying I'm very disorganized right now because all my charts are screwed up again. This is getting very annoying. And the thing is, they was all perfect last night. It's not like I can say, or someone can say, well, why didn't you just do, check it last night? So when you come in the morning, I was streaming last night. Everything was working.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I get it, Al. It's not bad, but for the stream, but the charts that I use for reference, for bias and everything, it's gone.
Hey, listen, I was going to tell you before I forget. The audio sounds a million times better again.
So. Mine or yours?
Yours.
Yeah. You like my voice?
Oh, yeah.
You can sound like me, huh?
You still sound the same to me. You just sounded different to everybody else. Yeah. Whatever you did to the audio before just like really screwed it up. To me, it still sounds the same.
Al, do you know the other day you told me that I should zoom out? Because I'm showing you were mentioning this. You were saying that, hey, see, again, too many things are, hold on, I got to fix this. Too many things are auto scaling. Is it possible that it's Ninja Trader? Like, how could Ninja Trader, seriously, how could Ninja Trader forget the settings? Oh, sorry. No, what I meant, is it possible it's my computer?
You talking about the same Ninja Trader that I use? That thing goes retarded all the time.
You know, that when I shut it down, it loses, it look, it asks you if you want to change your settings. I get that. No, save your settings when you exit. But I didn't make any changes last night. So it's not like I'm looking, say, oh, you forgot to save your changes. This is the same workspace I'm always using. I mean, even my Asia session and my London session boxes were gone.
Order filled. Like to hear that. I was a bit worried about that one.
Damn, too zoomed. Al, you can come over and fix it.
That was my bot trade for the morning. I didn't even realize it was that late.
Bouncing off previous day's close. 860.
I don't understand. I think this thing's broken.
That's the second bounce. Yeah.
It's plotting large orders, but I keep raising the orders, and they're all still there. We can't have that much volume.
Yeah, you've been telling me that lately a lot. Daily volume 338. No, it's quiet today. It's 948.
Why is it still showing so many large orders? We have what we got? We got time interval, so we want so many orders per second. So 5 seconds. I think 5 seconds. I think 305 seconds is default. I'm up to 500. Try 6. Takes it a second, but I think it's still gonna plot too many. Yeah, still looks the same. We'll lower the, go down to 4 seconds. Gotta be something I got off somewhere. Yeah, it's still there. How is that even possible? We're getting 200 orders a second?
I think that's possible. You are talking about NQ. That's not really a lot.
I guess so. I mean, I'm watching the buys and sells. We're at 30 seconds. We're at 2,000 for both. That's
Did you say 200 orders a second? Hey, good morning, Skeletor. 200 seconds seems high. That's 2,000. That's 12,000 per minute. No, that's too high. That doesn't make sense.
Skeletor, good morning.
We're not doing 12,000 contracts per minute. That would be in 10 minutes. That would be 120,000. In a half an hour, that'd be 360,000 contracts. We've only done 345 since the open at 6 o'clock.
I do have
The math don't work.
I do have 3,000 for the last minute. So what would 3,000 divided by 60? Try it. 3,000 divided by 60. So about 50 orders a second. So if I was getting 100 orders a second, I mean, that should be a large order, right? Something's wrong.
Okay, let's wait for a setup. Could take a long time, guys. 12 points of range on the 1 minute candles. Nothing spectacular.
I have to see what I can look up on it. Yeah, I got 602 seconds now. There's no way we're doing 300 orders a second on every candle. Something's wrong.
I'm happy to hear you're having the same struggles as me. You know, people probably come onto the stream and say, Jesus Christ, all these guys do all day is set up. Oh, Lord.
Well, I mean, same thing I tell my son when he's getting ready for soccer, right? And like half or 3/4 of the battles before you even get there. Is it not the same way with everything else?
I guess.
Like, you should already have everything set up by the time you get there.
I did my evening check. Everything was working. Busy day at the office.
Well, that's not what I'm
done
talking
training
about.
for the day. Good man.
Done trading for the day?
You deserve a day. You had a bad day on Friday. You deserve a good day.
You must trade a lot pre-market. Skeletor, what time you start trading in the morning? Or a better question, are you trading at like 9 o'clock, 8:30? Wonder how many people would show up if we showed up a little bit earlier. Not saying we will, just just gathering information. Cut that off real quick, right? Not saying we will. 9:30. Yeah, some people trade pre-market, but then I see some of the other streamers stream pre-market and there's like nobody there. Plus, I'm not a fan of pre-market trading.
There's volatility. I like it. The jackass. What's the jackass for? Is that for an impulsive trade or is that for oversizing?
That's for chasing. His name is Chase the Donkey.
Yeah, we almost say play it for me. My hand is on the mouse and I'm dying to get in here, and it's an impulsive trade. It's an impulsive trade. It's a chase. I didn't do it though, so I guess you don't have to play it. But it's tempting me. You know what? The instant I do it, the instant I do it.
In all fairness, we did break above the point of control. We are pushing up. We got Delta skyrocketing, breaking above the open. I mean, personally, I'd wait for maybe a pullback. Oh, we did get a pullback to retest the open. Pullback's open. Yeah, this could be the push. I mean, I wouldn't consider that an impulse move. 25K today? You up 25K today? Damn.
Ooh. Oh, no, the NQ. Are we going to hit 25K?
Oh. It's not that far away. If we, I'm assuming this is all-time high right here, yeah? We break all-time high, we're pretty much 100 points away. I'm gonna mark it. Just so if we get there, I'm gonna say Skeletor told us we would. Or maybe. What's the question? I'll even put an S there for Skeletor.
My wife is home this week. Well, it sounds like she's doing construction upstairs. I don't know what's going on, but when I go up, I think the gyprock in the kitchen will be taken down from the sound of it. Do you get the vacuuming under the chair while you're working? That's the one that drives me the most nuts. Mm. I closed my mic to see what was going on. Yeah, I am downstairs. But still, the ceiling is shaking. You know they're making a lot of noise when dust is falling off the ceiling and landing, and it's snowing because they're slamming. Well, no, they're actually cutting vegetables. Believe it or not, that's what all the noise is. But they're done. They're done. We're done. That's the bounce. Oh, they have this kind of cutter type of thing. It's a Starfrit. I don't even know if they sell Starfrit in your area. You know the company Starfrit? You put the vegetables in and you have to bang it or something, and it turns it into cubes. It turns your potato into cubes with one smack. Yeah, but this does the whole potato with one smack. You just need a rubber mallet. I wanted to take this trade. Yeah. Do you know this the 15-minute opening range retest was right on the previous day's close, the Globex. I think it's we pretty much opened where we closed. I look at the close, you look at the open, but that was a good trade there at 59. I missed it right now. I would have taken it, yeah. There's your 10 points. Too late, too slow. Too slow, too late. Yeah. 69.75. Yeah, well, the sad thing is I'm going to get an entry at 78. Also. Potentially. Yeah, me too. Yeah. 78 still good. We don't pay him enough. Oh, you're talking about me. I didn't know you were talking about me. I thought you were blaming it on Skeletor. Do we hit 25K today? I don't think so. I'm not optimistic for that, no. Not that optimistic. What was the low today? Let's just look at the range. 24,740. That would be 200. Yeah, we can do it. The average range right now on the daily is 260 points. That's average. So yeah, average range from the low to the high. Yeah, we could hit 25K today. Definitely. Well, if a lot of people are shorting into this move since the beginning of September, a lot of people have been learning a lot of lessons. Me? Thanks. Yeah, me too. Yeah. Yes, it should. I had them all on top chat. I got an entry at 78, but I'm going to try and get in at 72-ish. I'm not crazy about this trade. Who's it? The YouTube people? I'm going to get a call from Reddit tomorrow. They get angry. Well, I'll have to make a note to self. If ever Omnius is over for a barbecue, do not burn his steak. He gets very angry. And he'll let you know it. Yeah. No, I know that's the thing. My wife tells me, tell them this, tell them that. I keep telling, they don't care. It's not their company. Yeah. Well, they don't know their job.
Thank you, Bama. Now, you know I looked at that earlier. I even said it. Go back and watch the video. I even said it. Let me make sure they don't have me muted. How the fuck did it get muted? Thank you, Bama, for letting me know. I don't know why it does that. I'll have to message them. Try to be polite about it.
Are you talking line 6, YouTube?
No, it's a Prism.
This time it's Prism.
Oh, they muted me again. There's no reason. I mean, I don't even have it open. I use my own mixer.
I don't know. I'm on your stream. I hear you.
Well, now I just turned it back on.
I hear both of us.
You even heard me earlier. Check it. Like, make sure they're not muting me.
Yeah, and
then
nervous.
All of a sudden it's muted, but I haven't even. I have to have it open, but it's open on the side.
I'll check mine.
Messaging. Trying to be polite about it.
Sound check. Sound check. Okay. So, I mean, we're pretty skilled. We're traders, streamers, broadcasting engineers, all in one.
Yeah, right.
All at the same time.
So I can lock the volume, but I can't take away the mute button. It should never be muted because I don't ever use it. They just got some kind of issue. I don't know. Ever since they started wanting to charge money, it's gotten worse and worse and worse. I was hoping they'd get enough money to be fixing things. All right, what are we looking at?
What did gold do? Wow, look at gold. New all-time highs today. Bitcoin coming off. Tag in pre-Friday's high.
Was it weird that gold's going up and the market's going up? Aren't they generally like inverse?
Yeah, supposedly, but
I don't know,
okay. All trades hit, and I didn't get any of them.
A lot of weird things going on in the market nowadays. They lowered rates, but I think the bonds dropped again. Like, how do bonds keep dropping when they lower the rates? It's supposed to be inverse also.
Yeah.
I'll go see why my dog's mad.
Well, if you've been tuning into my live stream for any bit of time, you know that the bounce off the previous day's high or the previous day's low is one of the most reliable trades for a scalp, not for a complete reversal to the opposite side of the day's trading range, but for a scalp. And we did just hit Friday's high at 24,888. We already could have gotten 10 points out of that. And no, I didn't get an opportunity to take that either. I'm off today. Let me take a look at what the hourly did. 24,750 we're trading up here. This is till about when I was trading, and we came down lower. Still a higher low. We didn't come down to the 700, 680 area where this push was initiated from, nor the 640s or the 600s, which is what I was looking at. Yeah, markets are grinding higher. Can we hold above Friday's close? Do we stay green? Does the fact that we're green now bring in buyers? I'm tempted to take a long over here. I got the 15-minute opening range high and Friday's close right here. It's the second test of this level, at least the way I look at it. But what am I in? I'm in at 60, 64, 62. Not going to risk more than 10 points on this one.
Yeah, I'm back. What I miss?
Another retest of the opening 15-minute opening range high in the Friday's close.
Don't like it.
Or the Globex open. Yeah, when you say the Globex open, you mean 6 p.m., right?
Yeah.
Just to confirm again. Yeah. Yeah, there wasn't much of a change with the open. There wasn't a gap.
This one feels like it's got more momentum behind it. Could still go up, but I don't know. That was my neighbor wanting to borrow some pliers.
We were having a bit of a conversation yesterday about Apex. I was saying that I'm not sure if they hold the top spot anymore in my for me, you know. They always did, but a lot of competition is coming out there, and I don't think they're keeping up with their rules and stuff.
There's just so many better options nowadays.
Yeah, I'm finding it a little bit restrictive, Apex.
I think Apex is good if you want the 20 accounts. If that's what you're going for, then that's your firm. But other than that, and I will say I don't know why you would want 20 accounts. But if you do and you want them all to be one firm, I mean, if I was going to do 20 accounts, I'd want them to be, you know, a bunch of different firms. Could you imagine just putting all your eggs into that one basket and then?
Yeah, that's another issue we
were talking about yesterday. For something stupid.
Imagine then your copy trader screws up, and there's so many issues with the ghost orders and the going out of sync.
Well, I mean,
you really got to have faith in your copier at that point.
Well, that's if you're copy trading all the accounts, but
yeah.
I'm just talking about simply putting everything that you have into one company.
That's what you meant. Okay, sorry, yeah, I misunderstood.
I mean, they might go under tomorrow. You don't know. You lose everything. They might come up with some stupid rule and make it retroactive, screw you out of all your money, like they've done before. I don't know. To me, that's just putting a lot of faith into a company. And I don't think that they're that much better than the competition anymore.
Yeah, no, it's good to spread out. I think I've done it a little bit too much.
Bama says Apex is complete trash. They're thieves. Bama, I understand that comment. I would much rather be with Bulenox or DayTrading or any of the other companies that have shown themselves. What is that? Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Fool me 5, 6, 7, 8 times. You're just a fool by that point, right? though, can't talk all bad about Apex. I mean, they have been a leader in the game for a long time. They do have good deals. So just pick up an account here, an account there. I think I could understand that, but there's no way I would do 20 accounts with Apex.
Yeah. Also, I think they all have the same objective. Every firm that opens up, the objective is what? Let's make boatloads of cash.
Mm-hmm.
However they structure it, even if they try and structure it better for the traders or more competitive, they're still in it to make boatloads of cash.
Also, I don't believe
71.
when Apex says we've paid out this much to traders. They like to say, oh, we paid out, I don't even know what it is anymore, blah, blah, blah amount to traders. Don't believe them when they say that. And what they're not telling you is how much of that they supposedly paid out, how much of that went to influencers. Like, is that just, because they never say that that's just trading payouts.
Yeah.
Dave Teaches, good morning. Banging music. What's playing right now?
Wheels on the bus.
I think that's one of the default songs. Not digging the market. No, me neither, man. It's all-time high. Just what it is. Tricky the trade. You get the push-ups, then they go against you. There's no all kinds of wicks. There's no follow-through. Then you get into a trade and it just sits there forever. Tried to take this one, but I just won out. Now it might push.
Yeah, there are some shitty rules on Apex, but for me, the shittiest rule of them all is you have to be in a trade for 15 seconds, or you have to lose or win 5 points. I think, is that all MFFU? All those crazy rules?
I don't know.
I can't pass an account with that. Serious, you can't move your stop to break even. You have to take more than 5 points.
My problem is what does that say to you as a trader about a company, And to me, that tells me that that's a company that's trying to make crazy rules to stump you up.
Yep.
A lot of people
can understand. They can say, don't make that the majority of your trades. 30-40% of your trades shouldn't be 15 seconds or less. But they don't say that. Maybe they mean that, but they don't say it. In the rule, it says trades must be 15 seconds or more.
So I would maybe disagree with that, because there's a lot of people that like to get in and go to break even immediately.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, a lot of people with the inverse fair value gap, that's their strategy. They're looking for it to break. They're looking for it to inverse that gap. Might see one right here. They want to see it break that gap and then go. So they know they wanted an immediate reaction. So you're telling that person they don't have a viable strategy? So, I don't know. So we got the inverse there. So, right, should just go. Of course, again, it's just doing nothing. Oh, and we got the first inside bar, breaking above the first inside bar. spam. I had buys earlier, but never got activated. Came back from my shower and saw it hit TP with no entry. Broke the headset. Oh, goodness. How do you get TP with no entry? Oh, because it came down, it didn't tag you in. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the problem is, Al, that's Renko. I'm not going to be really showing Renko too much anymore.
We're going to break this high right here. We're pushing through it or what? What's the... Ooh, what was that? Take it. Okay. That's why I like hotkeys. I got my finger right there on the button. Spikes up. Let's go. What was that? It was about 10 points. I don't... We are after 10 o'clock. Turn this off. I missed I have a new one set up, but kind of interferes with the other one. I keep forgetting to turn it on. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna work them together.
Not taking advantage of the opportunities I'm being given today.
What the hell? I don't know what's going on. It says I'm in a trade, but I don't see a trade. It shows it on the screen. What's going on? Is it possible to be in a trade and not in a trade at the same time?
It is.
Have no unrealized profit. Have no orders. I mean, it's up 33 points, so I mean, it'd be great if it was there, but what's going on? I'd rather not be messing around with this account. What are we doing?
Yeah, it's funny.
All right, you see the trade?
Yeah, I'm on your screen. I see you long.
I'm not long.
It's odd.
What does that mean?
I don't know. How can you not be long if I see it?
I don't see any unrealized profits. I don't see any orders. I don't see anything that says I'm in a trade except for this right here telling me I'm in a trade. So am I in a trade or I'm not in a trade?
I can't answer that for you.
I don't know. I still don't see any unrealized profit. Something's glitched. There's still no orders. There's no orders. There's no unrealized profit. I mean, at 5 contracts at 40 points would be looking real nice right now.
My chart froze yesterday. Are your quotes
Ooh, they put me short. Look at that. Oh, I just lost $5. You mother bitches.
Yeah, that's what happened to me this morning. I lost 70% of my profit. I made 100 and lost 70 because of the reverse.
Yeah, I closed it. It put me in a short.
Yeah, mine was human error. I actually clicked the wrong size. So
You just seen me. So when I hit the close button, it flashed the order up there, and I hit it again. It canceled it. But yeah, just stole $5 from me, just like that. Yeah, what was that? That was a glitch. Would have been nice if it had registered. Isn't it rare that the arrows ever work in your favor?
it is odd how they rarely work in your favor. Yep.
I mean, they're like 80% against you.
I can say it is sweet when it does work in your favor.
Yeah, that 20%.
Yeah.
Here's my trade. I think there's still an issue with the orders or something. Still not exiting out of every order on exit. What was my trade today? 7.5 points. For the bot trade.
Take my hand off the mouse. If I see something that's screaming at me, I'll take it. Other than that, I'm not taking anything. I'm too off balance today. Feel like I'm flying in the dark.
This is what I was trying to show. It's the bot trade for the day for anybody interested, keeping up with it. Got to zoom way in to get past the indicator.
How did the 2 minute do today?
I was just talking about.
Yeah, but I meant my 2 minute. Your 2 minute, I'm not sure how it enters and exits still.
Changes. Right now I have it on the.
Plus your time is your time's not fixed, on NinjaTrader. It's still on like your 2 minute candles end at 33 and 35.
I don't know what it does. Right now it's at 10:28:30. That's about right, isn't it?
Oh yeah, because you're looking at the current candle. You have to go back the previous candle and see what the ending time was on the 2 minute. Was it 10:28?
Oh, I'm on a volume chart. That's why. Let's go 2 minute.
Or is it 10:27? Even number, odd number?
We're at 10:30 right now. Oh,
the previous candle?
no, the current
No,
candle.
can't be.
It is.
Can't be. It's only 10:29.
I'm in the future.
Oh yeah, no, because it's showing you when it's going to end. Okay, so yeah, you're fine. You're with an even number. It's 2 minute chart, 10:30. When 10:30 comes, you're going to see 10:32 on your current
Yours says
candle.
10:30.
Yeah. So I'm just saying, and then because that's when it ends. NinjaTrader displays the ending time of the candle. Every other platform displays the starting time of the candle, which is ridiculous. It should show the starting time of the candle, because when you go on a candle, what are you saying? You're saying, hey, let me find the 10:30 candle, right? And you put your cursor at 10:30. But that's not the 10:30 candle with NinjaTrader. That's the 10:28 and 10:30 candle. If you want the 10:30 candle with NinjaTrader and you're on a 2 minute chart, you got to go to the 10:32 candle. That's confusing for a lot of people.
Lots of volume pushing here. Anybody in this? Once again, Delta's just straight up. Bam, I watched about half of that video the other day. What a great interview, right? What's funny is I was watching part of it, and I was like, I saved it. I was like, okay, let me watch this later. And then Bama sent me a thing about it, talking about a great interview, and I was like, that's the same one I was watching. I go watch it some more. Got about halfway through it. I think I'm to the live trading now, so maybe I get to watch some more today. That's what I was wanting to see, was the live trading. But there was a little bit in there. I think about 30 minutes in or something. He was just dropping so much great information. Like one thing after another after another.
Do you have...
The way he was talking about price action and the way volume affects it. I think that's a lot of us are price action traders, and I think that's important information. And he kind of explains it in a great way. Mike, if you want to watch a great interview, it's a 3-hour interview though. Have to break it down in the sections.
Yeah, what I was going to ask you is, are you, you have chats that I don't seem to have.
What do you mean?
Hold on, give me just half a second. Yeah, I'll explain. Let me just save that. Because you're talking about an interview. How did he mention an interview?
I mentioned the interview.
Bama?
I mentioned the interview. Bama sent the interview in Discord, I think yesterday.
I gotcha.
Days kind of blur together, but either yesterday or the day before.
Yeah, no, okay. I thought it was in the chat, and I'm saying I'm not seeing it.
I think I reposted it. Did I post? I can't look at it right now. Never mind. I don't know if I posted it in your Discord or my Discord. I think I reposted it. But a great interview as far as I watched. I watched about half of it. It's mainly about volume profile, stuff like that. But the guy's talking, he goes into a bit about price action and auction market theory and other things like that. And a lot of great advice. I think everybody should probably at least save it and go back and watch parts of it, or go back and binge watch the whole thing every now and then. And I think it's that same guy, not the trader, but the host. I think he's the same guy that's done other interviews that were really good with other top traders. I think it was one of his interviews that I was watching where the guy was talking about like the previous day's value area being an 80% trade. He was using those volume dots, which is basically the same thing as the power trades on Quantower. But I think Quantower also has, those dots. Don't know where it's at though. I have to look up a video on how to access that chart. Let's try this one. There you go. platform coming out soon, deep charts. Reminded me a lot of Quantower. I wonder if it's like a spin-off of Quantower.
Kind of pushing through the initial balance high right now.
See, I have that same thing that he was using, but I don't know how to set it up. I also don't have the full book of data, but I don't think he did either. I would have to change. The settings would definitely have to be changed. I'd have to look up the proper way to set it. We can see it there. It's just showing the orders, but it's not showing like the regular heat map where they would be placed. I don't have the full book data.
We got so close to my TP.
You gonna trade?
The
Oh
bot.
man,
Yeah, I know.
I hate
I
that.
hate that.
I think I would have to figure out how to raise the bar for the dots. Not do anything? He said he sets his bubbles at 20. I see a 10. Let's try 20. Dom level count. Is that it?
Everyone's bullish. 100% says we're hitting 25,000 today. Another 100 points.
Use custom tick size. What is that? That might be a 20, Bama. I don't know.
What is it on your screen right now we're looking at?
It's the heat map. The guy in the interview was using it, but I didn't use it before because I don't have the full book of data. So generally when people look at Bookmap, they're looking at the full book of data because they want to see where the large orders are. This isn't going to give me that, but what it will do is tell me where the large orders have came in. So if it's coming down to a level you want to get into, and then you see like a large buy order like that one bouncing off of it, but there's too much. It's got to be slowed down somehow.
Yeah, TP just got tagged.
We got monochrome. What the hell's up? Bitch roam? Bitch, you better roam. I don't know what that means either. Heat map. Also, his chart showed the candles with it. Guess this one won't do that. Minimum trade size, that might be it. Maybe something like that. Family likes the flex volume profile he was doing. Is that the one he was drawing? Because you can do that with one tower. Left profile, custom profile. I think it would slow down. Need like a time frame or something. They ain't got no time frame. Works better if you have it on like a 2-minute chart or something like that. This chart don't have a time frame. I guess it's just the way the orders come in. There we had a large buy order, large volume pushing up. That spiked us up from what, 16 to 19, not much, but have to find a way that we like it. Well, it's touchy. You'll have to have more time to work with it. Maybe I can put it over here. Oh, God. Went black again. Mike, I ain't heard you in a while. You alright? You muted or what?
Yeah, I was.
You not talking to me?
I was muted. The only thing of note that I said was a nice bounce, nice grind higher off the balance of the previous day's close at 860 at 10:10 in the morning. And if you were looking for the 10 o'clock reversal, which I don't look for anymore, it didn't really happen. Too hard to call that one.
Now I got this damn black screen again.
Yeah, no, I don't think I'm going to be taking too many trades because my dashboard is off. You know, it's kind of like flying a plane and your gauges are all screwed up. I'm going to have to spend some time again today.
We saw that large order there, large volume, large spike up. I'm gonna have to close this one tower and reopen it. Mike, for some reason, the chart like messes up and it puts a black screen there. But then you can get the chart working again, but the black screen don't go away.
Oh,
Got
yeah, I saw that also for me.
I got a black square in the middle of my screen. Hopefully it'll save all that.
What's that thing that says best day ever? Jan Perchuk.
Song?
Oh, is that what it is?
What does it sound like? Let's listen to it.
Oh, yeah. You show, you display what song is being played
You know that?
on your stream? Never noticed, no?
Sure, that's
Guess
been
I never
there.
looked on.
Been there as long as I can remember.
Yeah. Mm.
Should be on all of them. Oh, there we go. You know I don't listen to this music, so.
What kind of chart are you displaying there? That kind of looks like a one-tick chart.
I don't know. I think it is a one tick. It's going way too fast. Wish I could slow it down. Got to be a way to. I know in a book map you can like speed it up and slow it down, but they not have that option. I don't know. It's just showing the large orders. You want to see it like come down to area of interest and then see a large order spike up. I feel like it's too fast. I don't have a time or anything. I don't know how to slow it down.
The bubble size changes.
Yeah,
Is that
depending on the order.
Relative.
The bigger the bubble, the bigger the order.
Yeah. No, I don't mean that you have different bubble sizes. They actually changed, I guess, because once you printed bigger ones, it kind of did like a relative.
Oh, they're different sizes. So you have the small ones that's telling you the. So right now we see some of the little red dots. That's probably the 20.
If they redraw, if they repaint the size.
No.
If they get adjusted after the fact.
No, there's no. What do you mean adjusted after the fact?
Kind of looked like they did. Maybe I didn't see the way it rolled off.
That's probably me zooming in and out.
I thought that one bubble got printed really big, so it had to make an adjustment.
No. That's probably me changing size.
No, they just changed.
That's as the order's coming in. So that change
No,
there
they just
was
changed right there in the middle of the chart. They just changed. What time is it? 10:49:40.
You're not listening. It's changing relative to the size of the chart. That makes sense.
You mean the scale changes?
Right.
The scale of your chart changes because it's so fast. If it's consolidating, your scale is small. If it's running, your scale is larger. The range.
Right. So if it drops 20 points, of course it's going to have to change the size of the bubble. The guy in the interview, he had it, I believe, I have to go back and watch it, but I believe he had it set with candles.
Well, what are you running it on there? On a 1 second chart?
There's no time.
Oh, really?
So it's got to be like a one tick or something. I don't know.
Then it's a tick. No, your scale didn't change there, and your bubbles changed. I'm watching the numbers. I don't know, unless I don't see clearly. I don't know. Doesn't matter.
The bubble's just telling you how large the order is.
No, I get that, but everything just changed again. I was watching the scale, and the scale didn't change at all. Let me look again.
I don't get what you're saying.
It happens often enough, so I'll watch the scale. Right now, you have 50-cent increments.
The bubble's just telling you how large the order is.
I got you.
The
But
bigger the bubble, the
bubbles are
bigger the
changing.
order.
I know, but this bubble size. Right now you have a big bubble, a big green bubble. And then suddenly that
See,
big green
if I
bubble will
move
become
this,
small.
it adjusts. If I move there, it adjusts. It adjusts to
No,
the
you see they're
thing.
staying the same size. They're not adjusting, they're moving. The bubbles change, bubble size didn't change.
The only time I see the bubble size changing without the scale changing is if the order's still coming in. I gotta turn this music off. Why y'all got me listening to this stuff? Payback? I don't know how y'all trade without that mind melting heavy metal. I don't know what y'all missing. Like, you don't listen to music when you trade, do you?
No, I find it too distracting. Unless it's, you know, those deep focus or lo-fi, you know, something soft. And even then, it still has to be very quiet in the background. Yeah, great.
This black box on my screen?
Yep.
Can't get rid of it. I can't move it.
It's fine.
Wait, maybe I can move it. Huh. Just can't get rid of it? I'll minimize it. That's so weird. I just like shove it down at the bottom. Maybe. There we go. What was that?
Oh, you heard it?
What was that?
Uh-huh.
Thought you like fell out of your chair or something.
I thought it was a message notification.
Okay.
It's cold.
We'll go back to the 30-minute. Then we'll look at that one if we get to a area of interest.
Yeah, I was saying last night, an obvious trade is a fade off the 25K level. Not saying it's going to work, but it's an obvious trade. Big whole round number. I can't imagine that we're just going to plow through it. There's probably going to be a bunch of stops, though. How far do we get through it before we run lower for a bit? Just on that first touch.
What are you talking about?
25K. I got to imagine at 25K in one point, there's a bunch of stops, a bunch of buy stops. How far does it send it higher? And then I'm expecting a pretty quick reversal off that level for the first time it gets touched. It's going to be interesting to see. Okay, I think I'm going to go do a coffee refill. Be back in a couple of minutes.
Yeah, grab me a coffee also. Keep asking this guy for a coffee. Never gets me one.
Okay, my mic was closed, but I'm opening. I opened it up for that. I'm gonna say, Dad, stop with that joke. With that, I'm gone.
This guy's the stingiest guy ever with his coffee. Keep asking him, like, look, can I get like a little cup? He's like, if you want a cup of coffee, you'll have to come here and get it yourself. Stingy. So what if I'm 25 hours away? It don't matter. Hard to trade this because it just keeps going up, but it'll go a little bit, bounce back, go a little bit, bounce back, go a little bit, bounce back. So hopefully everybody found good entries for the day. I think I took a little piece somewhere around there. Somewhere around there. Nothing major, but it beats it. Beats being red. And then I lost $5 because of the order that wasn't there. Put me short getting out of it. I was messed up. Bam, I think I'm up $100. Wish I got that pre-market entry. Bam, I like $100. Still green. I think we all wish we'd have just went long in pre-market and held it. Over 100 points. You'd think there'd just be a sign that would say, hey, buy here. Diamond hands, hold forever. Wasn't even targeting the whole move. My TP was way down there. Would have been 350. That's the one you said you didn't get tagged in, right? I think the open range that Mike was calling out earlier worked great. Actually worked great twice. Was it here? I think. Yeah. Right there. Came down, got it, shot up. Came down, got it, shot up again. Skeletor's back. After Friday's wreck, I'm happy today. It's awesome, Skeletor. I like to see people have good days. We all go through the range though. Some days are good, some days are great, some days are okay, some days are a little red, some days are terrible. I think as traders, we just try to mitigate the terrible days. But I think we all have them. Especially in these terrible markets. Y'all do anything fun this weekend? What did I do this weekend? I just kind of hung out around the house this weekend. Had the daughter. Boy ran off. Went to a cousin's house. So I basically spent the weekend with the daughter. tries to make me sing K-pop Demon Hunter songs. Guess it could be worse. Could be like Disney songs or something. But I keep telling her we need to do a video together. She had this great video, but apparently there was something playing on the TV in the background, like ruined the whole video. And then she tried to redo it. You know, it never works when you try to redo a video. So it got to be like in the moment.
You're doing a music video? Is that what I heard? With your daughter?
Yeah, she wants to do music videos. She likes the singing and dancing and K-pop Demon Hunters. You ever heard of them?
That's what I heard. Yeah, K-pop.
What the hell is a K-pop Demon Hunter?
I have no idea.
I tell you, man, these kids nowadays, they're in some weird stuff. Like it. I'm just glad out of all the crap there is on YouTube that both the kids like decent stuff. Wanted to go ride a motorcycle this weekend. Had friends calling me, hey man, let's go ride a motorcycle. Got the girl, ain't got no babysitter.
Oh, you didn't get to go.
No.
What did I do this weekend? I don't even remember. I know we went up north for a bit. That was nice. That's true. It was a really nice day. Ah, we went to the pizza bar on Friday also. I laughed. That was my wife's choice.
Pizza bar?
It didn't work out. Yeah, it didn't work out. It wasn't as nice, the place that I picked, where we were going to go. So it was supposed to be where I wanted to go. It was a steakhouse near a casino on the Indian Reserve over here. But we ended up passing on that one. So didn't know where to go. She chose a place she wanted to go for a long time. When we drove by the window, I said, oh my God, pizza bar. You were just talking about that. I said,
yeah.
I'll take a picture and send it to you. I guess it's a thing now. I guess that's what people are opening.
Pizza bars. I mean, it makes sense. I mean, you go to a bar, you want pizza, right? You go for pizza, you want a beer. I was just surprised that the one I went to was like a full liquor bar.
Okay.
I'm like, damn, they want to get tore up and then eat pizza. So many noises nowadays. I don't know what they are. How about you, Bama? Anything going on this weekend? Skeletor, rain in South Florida. I don't think I got any rain. Maybe. Look, about to rain now.
Yeah, it's fine. We also have a shitty week coming up now. All week showing gray.
I did call a few people and use foul language. That was nice.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe I was on mute. Did you hear me when I said I'm going to get a call from Reddit on...
Oh, yeah, I heard you say that, and then I kind of missed going back to it.
Yeah.
What's up with Reddit?
Well, that's it. Just for promotion and stuff. See what they can do for me.
Now, in Reddit, there's like an online forum or something. That the Reddit
I
you're
have
talking
no
about?
idea. I've never used it. I've used the other one, or what's it called? Pinterest.
Yeah.
So I always used to confuse the two. If a person had a conversation with me and would just say Reddit, I would assume they meant Pinterest. I'll have to take a look and see what it is.
Didn't they both start
Anyways,
out
we'll
about the
see.
same?
I'm learning. I'm gonna do. Well, let's learn the landscape. Let's see what's doable, and traffic is traffic, right? Doesn't have to originate from YouTube.
No.
And a friend of mine was saying Facebook is a great place to market. And I'm thinking he may be. Well, that's what I said. A friend of mine. No, it was somebody else. It was James. But and I think that also goes well because what YouTube is showing me, the average age of my subscribers, is a little bit older. It's not the 20-year-old crowd. So none of my kids are on Facebook. Like, that's what I was telling him. I'm saying, the young crowd's not there anymore. And he goes, yeah, but there's a lot of older people there. He says the older people, the 30, 40-year-olds, 50-year-olds, they're all on it.
Yeah. I think all the younger kids are like Instagram or something nowadays.
Yeah.
I don't get it. I don't know how they use it.
Me neither. I don't know what Instagram even. I go on. It just looks like you can post a picture. Okay, not much you can do with one picture, but okay. But I don't know. I mean, I think there's ways to post videos and stuff. I just don't know how to use it.
Bama says so. We're older now.
Wow! Did you know how old Butterstunts is? Did you hear? He's the age of my boys. He's 24, 25.
I kind of figured that they were younger. I think Mike Stunts is a year or two older. Years older.
Okay, I
don't know. I have a hard time keeping up my own age, let alone other people's. Never really cared about age that much. A lot of people, they're like so concerned about how old somebody is, and say, why do you even care?
Yeah, that's what happens when you get older. You don't care anymore.
I didn't care when I was younger. People would
I
always be like, how old are you? I'm like, I don't know, 21 plus. I'm old enough to drink. What more is there?
Yeah, in that respect, yeah, I never really. People ask me how old I am, I gotta start doing math. I don't track it. My wife knows, but I don't keep track. She likes to remind me.
I think people put too much into the age thing. Enjoy life. Stop worrying about how old somebody is. I mean, unless they're like, wish you have like under 21, like. I mean, are you a kid? Are you like under 18? Are you under 21? Then after 21, they're like, yeah, you're still kind of young, but I mean, it doesn't really matter much. After that, you pretty much are you old enough to retire? Now they're raising the age, so you gotta be damn near 70 now. I think most of us will be dead before we can retire, so what does it even matter?
Nah, we live longer, come on. We live longer, we're all in better shape. Right? We're in better shape.
Didn't we literally just have like the most deaths in like past 100 years in the past couple of years?
Yeah. They're throwing in probably the
He's like, everybody's in better shape, we're living longer. Yeah. Every time you turn on the TV, somebody in their 30s and 40s is having a heart attack.
That's just what they're serving you because you're tracking it.
You might want to go look at those statistics for the last couple of years.
Great. That means my life insurance is going to go up in price.
Skeletor, don't remember how old I am. LOL, I'm 46, soon 47. So yeah, both of y'all about my age. I'm right there in the middle of both Bama and Skeletor.
Mm.
I think me and Joker's the same age. Actually, I think Mike Stunt said he might have been the same age. Was it somebody? No, maybe that was
No, you just said he's a couple of years older than Butters, which puts him in the early 20s.
There was somebody else that was saying they were the same age. Maybe it was Skeletor.
I was saying to Bama.
No,
Bama, you're gonna. No, not Bama. I was saying to Butter Stunts. You're gonna be my age in the year 2060.
I was thinking yesterday.
That's crazy.
Your daughter's around early 20s, right?
Mine?
Yeah.
22.
So when I'm your age, my daughter will be about your daughter's age. Roundabout. I mean, they gotta be perfect.
Yeah.
Don't overthink it.
No. Wait. You're 45, 46?
Around that area. Nothing narrow it down to the day. not talking to a woman, am I?
You're in the mid 40s.
Was that a question?
Nope. Well, if it makes you feel better, I always told you look like you're in your 30s, so.
Don't bother me
You
either
can
way.
go and all that night cream you put on before you go to bed, it's working.
I told you I need more beauty rest.
The skincare works. Okay, my bot's going into a drawdown. Let's see how far the drawdown gets.
So was you telling us something about Reddit or not? I feel like you started twice now.
Oh, no. Just I have no information yet. They're just gonna call me tomorrow.
Okay.
And I'll grill them. Can you do this and this and this and this for me?
So they reached out to you, or you reached out to them?
No, I reached out to them.
Okay.
I saw an ad. I clicked on it. I signed up, and after I signed up, there was a link. Like the link you saw on my Google Ads thing.
Yeah.
On the bottom, it can ask for a consultation or whatever. I clicked it. Let's consult. Difference is, though, they only slotted me in for 10 minutes. When YouTube, they slotted me in for an hour. What can you do in 10 minutes? Really, seriously.
You need to call YouTube again, and hopefully you have better luck than me.
Yeah, I will, but I gotta get more organized.
And this time, don't let them give you the whole runaround and shit. Get to the point. If you want, I can write down some bad words for you.
No, that I don't do. But next time I will get to the point. The other time, can I say he wasted my time? Kind of. I mean, he gave me a tour of the platform, gave me some information, gave me a starting point. I could have got it off YouTube also, probably, but either way, it would have costed me an hour. So I gave an hour to learn a platform, set up a campaign with him. I knew I was going to cancel it the second that I got off the phone. So funny. He keeps stressing, don't cancel it. Don't cancel it for 14 days.
Bama says, I like to think you could do a lot of damage in 10 minutes. I don't want to brag, but my conversation with him lasted about 30 seconds.
Well, there's some good content there. You got to record that. And
her response was something like, Sir, you don't have to talk. Sir, please stop talking like that. Sir, please. You don't have, sir, I'm hanging up.
You're joking. Really?
Yeah. She said she was going to transfer me, and I was like, don't transfer me. Like, I'm going to transfer, don't. And she's like, what's your name? Like, I done gave you my name 10 times. I just want you to help me. She's like, well, I'm going to transfer. Don't transfer me.
but I can't help you, so I need to transfer you. I was only hired to say hello and to transfer. I'm the secretary. I'm the operator.
It makes no sense because you tell them exactly where you want to go. Then you go there and they tell you where you want to go. Then they ask you a bunch of questions. They say, okay, now I'm going to transfer you to where you want to go. It's like, no, you're not. You're going to transfer me to a dead end. They just keep giving you the runaround. I mean, realistically, how do you have a job like that?
You mean, how do you keep your job when you're like that?
No, that's their job.
Oh, okay. How do you have a position like that? Yeah.
Could you imagine?
Those things don't work.
Could you imagine having a job where people get on the phone with you for help and you just ask them a bunch of questions over and over and over, make them really mad, and then transfer them somewhere else that don't go anywhere?
Well, it's the shitty phone systems. You know, you call, let me just give you an example. You call a company. Are you calling for appliances or garden furniture? Appliances. Is it a kitchen appliance or a bathroom? A kitchen. Is it a Kenmore? Or, oh, wait, I'm talking to you. He's leaving. Ah, you gotta love it. I was making a point. That in the end, you eventually get somebody on the phone, and they have no idea that you said kitchen appliances, Kenmore, dishwasher, made before the year 2020. And the guy's got to ask you all the questions again. Top chat. Wrong. Should be live chat. Skeletor, dealer draws 99. I don't know if it was last night or this morning. Mike, dealer drew 94. Mike drew 99. Okay, this is an acceptable drawdown so far, but it's going to grow. It's a 9 lot. Let's see where it gets us out, if it does get us out, or if it stops out. I do know the way it's coded right now, it's probably not a good idea to take trades that are extended away from the bands, because the stop is the bands. So obviously the best trades would be the ones, hey, that's funny, the alarm didn't go on. The best trades would be the ones that are close to the bands. Kind of like the band bounce trade, but a little different on the entry and the exit technique. I'm flying in the dark here. I don't think my alarms are on. No. No wonder. Another thing. Is there an update on Windows this weekend?
Always an update. They always suck.
My alarms always ring. They didn't ring today. It's as if they got shut down, which means my computer got shut down and I didn't shut it down. I wasn't even on my computer much this weekend.
I think Windows 11, they force you to update. They ask you a couple times, you want to? No. You want to? No. You want to? No. You're doing an update.
We didn't really care what you said. We were just hoping you'd say yes, so you'd feel good.
What'd I miss? Anything important?
Yeah, I was talking to you when you just got up and walked away so
told you I had
nonchalantly. It was hilarious.
He's like, nonchalant chat. Didn't I say, hey, Somebody's at the door again. I gotta leave. I'll be right back.
Oh yeah, I didn't pay attention.
You didn't hear dogs barking?
I wasn't listening.
My dogs were barking. It was loud. I was like, hey, somebody at the door again. Give me a second. I'll be right back.
The bot right now is running off Renko. Skeletor. Hold on, let me
Bot is with Renko or Haikanashi?
Actually I do it with both. Right now I'm not running it on the Haikanashi, but I'm doing it with both.
You do have to be careful with Haikanashi candles, just for anybody that don't know, especially with a bot.
No, not the way I have it coded. I do know what you're talking about, but not with the way I have it coded. Backtesting, yeah. But the thing is, do you know that Ninja Trader is the only Haikanashi chart that actually shows the price, the current price is where the close of the Haikanashi candle is? Other charting platforms, the current price is not really aligned with the close of the Haikanashi candle, potentially.
I do like
Very
Ninja
often.
Trader's Haikanashi charts way better than anybody else's. So they are different,
Yep.
so I guess that's gonna...
But you can't use them for backtesting because they repaint. Like if you take a picture of this Haikanashi setup here on the hold on, let me just put it up. Close. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you see it.
Anybody looking at a trade here?
Yeah, so if you take a screenshot of this and you come back tomorrow at this exact same time, the layout of the Haikanashi bars candles will be different. So it kind of repaints. It's a little bit of a problem.
Mm-hmm. You're telling me. I use Haikanashi with Super Trend. Terrible repaint.
But at least you know where you're getting in. I was using Haikanashi with another platform. I don't know if it was MT4, TradingView, whatever. Maybe Thinkorswim with the stocks. The price was different than where the candle was, the candle close. As you know, even right now, as the candle's moving, the last price is considered the candle close on the active candle.
You have a buy signal here. Anybody looking at buying? I'm listening to you. I'm just saying.
No, I might get
a buy
20,
here also.
20 bid. I'll have a trade entry. Anyways, just to say, with Haikanashi on Ninja Trader, your entries are accurate. You're getting the price that you see on the candle.
Mm-hmm.
With other platforms, at least some other platforms, it's not. You're looking at the Haikanashi candle and you hit buy and you're like, oh my god, I just paid 3 points higher. Not sure if I want to take this trade though.
Yeah, it looks like it wants to go up, but not really seeing any.
Yeah, I'm only 7
large
points
orders
on the 1 minute.
Got the range.
Again, quiet.
2 minute chart's broken. I don't know what happened. The power trades are all over the place. We can't have a large order every candle.
Well, maybe you define large, and you have to go into the settings.
You do define it. It's 300 or 400 every 3 seconds. Yeah, that's it. Right now, I put it back on the 300 for 3 seconds.
Yeah, Skeletor, I don't know if I answered you. Right now, the bot is running on this Renko chart right here. It's running on Sim 101. It's doing good. It's got $1,000 in. Well, you know, that's so relative. It's got $1,000 in realized profit. I'm trading 3 lots, and it adds 10 times. You can get as much as a 30 lot with this. It accumulates a position. Of course, you don't have to do it at a 3 lot. You can do it at a 1 lot. And you can change on how much you want it to accumulate. You can stop it accumulating after 6 or 7 or 3 or 2. Right now I'm running it. It'll get in. It'll take a position as many as 10 times. and it goes for 10 points above the most recent long entry. So it is even possible that you would exit at a small loss. Like if the market keeps drifting lower and then it adds to its position again and it goes up 10 points from the most recent long position, it'll get you out even if you're red. But you know, if it's a small red, that's fine. And in my opinion, if this was trading on my live account now and I got up to 18 contracts and I had a chance now to get out at a $50 or $60 profit, I probably would close it because your exposure is high, because the stop out is under the bands. And I'm not sure I would want to be holding 18 contracts and go all the way under the bands. That would be a pretty large loss. The best thing to do is to start the bot manually when you're near the bands. So if it runs higher and keeps going, you get to scoop up all those dollars. But if it turns and runs right under the bands, you only had a small position, didn't have a chance to get you in a few times. If that makes sense. But for now, I'm just running it. Just want to make sure the logic works.
We was trying to push up, then it seemed like we failed.
Oh, it's true, eh? I didn't even notice the trade triggered at 20. Maybe I'll get in at 15 if I get a chance. That'll be a 12-point trade for a 9-point loss, 73% accurate. I'll take those odds if I can get 15. But if it goes to 27, I dump it. I dump the trade idea.
You in?
No, I'll try to get in at 15 if I can. Before it goes to 27. So we got to go down 4 points.
I don't want to go down 4 points. I don't want to go down 4 points. I want to go up.
Well, let's go down 4 points and then we'll go up. That way we can both...
No, I'm impatient.
Okay, I'll give you a push. Where is it?
Push.
You know what? I gotta animate this. I don't know why his mouth isn't moving. He's the
Yeah.
only one I never animated. Yeah, like making like right now the total P&L is 1,200, and I'm going to close it because 1,200 is good. 1,200 in one day. Obviously, the sizing is not right. You shouldn't
Close
be
mine
making-
as well for like 4 points.
You
What
shouldn't be
happened to the
making-
days when I was taking 3, 4, 5 trades a day for 21 points? Like, yep, there's 21 points. Yeah, there's another 21 points. Yeah, there's another 21 points.
Yeah, I miss those days.
Like, what happened?
I was surfing your coattails.
Yeah, we were jumping in a lot together. Like, hey, you in? I'm in. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Hey, butter stunts. Yeah, they'll come back. Volatility will come back. It always does.
Butter stunts. Come on.
Volatility will come back. It's just a matter of when.
That guy in the interview was saying that with price action, everything's so dependent on volume. So then you have you go through periods of large volume or low volume, and then everything kind of changes with how the price action works. Crappy morning for me. LOL. I was short bias. Oh wow.
What's the VIX at? 11?
Butters, are you still short bias?
Oh, we got a bit of a bounce off the bench there. What is this? This is a 55. It is a 55.
Hard for me to want to. There's our orders. They're trying to come in. Hard for me to want to short something like this because when we have these all-time highs, a lot of times we get these slow, dull days. And that's where the saying comes from, never short a dull market.
Yeah.
It's from all-time highs like this and these short days. What happens is everybody keeps trying to short. They keep getting stopped out. It keeps feeling the market higher and higher. Everything's just so slow, and everybody thinks that the fuel ran out of the market. So like, okay, this is it. Got to crash now. Okay, this is it. It's got to crash now. And then just pops back up again.
Bama was saying, not Bama again, but Bama butter. I mean, yeah, I'd like to see us come back down a little to rebalance the push up. This push up's been going on really since the beginning of September. If you look at the 4-hour chart, and since the beginning of September, if we take a look at the pullbacks, yeah, there's been a couple. This one 130 down to 765, 8, 9, 60, 060. That one's been 400 points, but a lot of them have only been about, that's 233, that's been 200 points. You know, this one over here was maybe 100 points. So we came off from 890 down to 730. That's 160 points. That might be all you get in this kind of a market. That was your opportunity at 6 in the morning to get in. That was the pullback. Now we make another run. The runs are 330. The runs are 300 point runs, 400 point runs, 055 to 400. That's 350. 966 to 250. That's another 300 points. So if you think if that's going to hold 300 points, 748, we're going to go up to 25,050 on this run, on this push.
Another thing pushing the market is, remember back, was this March and May when the market dropped? Everybody said the sky was falling. Market crash, Great Depression time. Everybody was getting out of the market. And then all the people that bought in down here are doing great. And then all the people that didn't are now having FOMO. Would you call it FOMO? Not really fear of missing out. They missed out.
Yeah. And they have fear of it.
I mean,
or regret, whatever word you want to use.
And I heard one guy say that when everybody was saying that, and like, how can you jump into these stocks when everything's so bad? And the guy's like, well, at these prices, you have to worry more about losing if you don't get in. You know, when you have Apple down 20-30%, you know, if you don't get in, you're taking a higher risk not buying the stocks. Now all these people that have lost all this money, what are we up? Almost 50. We're at 47% from the low. Now all those people want to get back into the market. A lot of big names are actually getting out of the market.
Bam, break even and done. When did you write that? I don't have it.
That was just a minute ago. Is that what I said? I was confused. I was like, I'm B and I'm done.
I'm B and I'm done.
Okay. Don't go stinging nobody, B. But it makes more sense the way you read it. Break even and I'm done. So I gotta get more with the lingo. Yeah, Bama, if you're break even, that's a good time to be done.
Well, my Bulenox winning streak came to an end on Friday with a loss of like about $500, I think. Way more than my PDLL. That's what I hate about not using Top Step or Project X. Those are the only two platforms that it respects your PDLL and gets you out right away.
Trading's all about the lingo. You're right. We got to come up with our own lingo just to confuse people.
I'm red in Bulenox again today.
That dang Bulenox.
Well, only $46, but
Saw some guy on Wall Street saying when you should buy, you won't want to. Exactly. That's the hard part about swing trading and investing. Perfect time to buy is when you feel so badly that you don't want to. That's when everybody else is selling, and that's the time to buy. It's hard for us as humans aren't wired that way. We're like, okay, danger, this looks terrible. Why in the hell would I want to buy something that looks so terrible? But at the same time, if you zoom out, I think this chart over here would show it better. If I can figure out how to use it. Mike, I use this program every day of my life, and I still don't know how to use it. It's okay.
Which one?
Trading View. In my defense, though, like every platform you use with trading, they all work differently. Like if I'm on Ninja Trader and I want to move around, I got to do it one way. If I'm on Trading View, I got to do it a different way.
Yeah.
So if we bring up this chart, we look back, all the great times to buy was during the chaos. Now look at that. I've even got marked down here, like what was this pull by? This was 23%. Everybody's crying, the world's ending. 30%, the world's ending. 37%, the world's ending. I don't have this one marked. 25%. Nobody ever looks back on the chart and says, I sure wish I'd have bought way up here at the top. That's when everybody's getting in. Everybody looks back and says, I sure wish I'd have got in there.
Mm-hmm.
But at the same time, even if you come back down here to 2008, had you have got in right there, you took a lot of drawdown. Was that 55%?
Hey, you mind if I use you in an overnight stream? What I mean by that is if I do fake Omnius, fake mic, if I do a recording, let's say tomorrow for an hour, and then I just cut out my, my little camera capture here and your camera capture, just like it is on my stream, and then I use it for an overnight stream, you mind? Do I have to just use myself, or can I use both of us?
You gonna do a stream and not be there?
Yeah. It's gonna run all night. I'm gonna record a full stream, let's say a 2-hour stream, and then I'm gonna recrop it and re-record it, just the two cameras.
Yeah.
And that way it'll look like we're talking and having conversation, and it'll run the bot overnight. But I wanted to ask you, do you mind if I use you also? So there's more conversation, or because if I just do a camera capture of me, it's going to be silent. I'm not gonna talk. But if I said, I was thinking, if I capture both of us, just take the conversation during the day, it kind of seems authentic. You want to send me the? You want to send me the invoice for that, and I'll see if I want to do it.
Invoice?
How much you charge for 2 hours of a recording? What's the going rate?
Trying to see what your risk to reward would be if you bought the market at all-time highs in 2008.
I got your permission.
I suppose. Try it out. I don't understand what you're trying to do, though.
Yeah, okay. So I'll show you when I...
So had you have bought the very highs in 2008, actually be 2007, I guess, you'd have a 17-to-1 risk to reward. I guess that'd be a reward to risk. Let's say we're overbought. Mike, what stock should I get rid of?
Tesla.
Tesla. Why Tesla? What'd Tesla do to you?
I don't know. They made the Cybertruck 14. Let's get out at 20.
Oh, hey, I could get rid of Tesla. See, I knew you knew.
I'm not a fan of the Cybertruck.
Me neither. Have you watched all those crappy videos on it?
No, it's not that. It's just it's ugly. I think any other company would have came up with it. They would have gotten laughed at.
All those electric trucks have been terrible.
Really? You go back down?
I was watching one on the Cybertruck and they was trying to see like supposed to like hold so much weight or something, so they wanted to test it out.
Oh yeah.
Test it out and the thing's like falling apart.
Wow.
Like we didn't even get close.
Don't they test these things in advance? I mean, seriously, before you go live with something like that.
Then come to find out, like a lot of the side panels and stuff are just like glued on.
Mm.
Like, wait, you just glued this truck together?
Shit. Price to charge.
Not only does it look like something a kid made, but you literally have it glued together.
Mm. In their defense, who hasn't used glue when you were a kid, huh?
Do you really want to pay $100,000 for a vehicle that's glued together? I don't have much Tesla. I was never a Tesla fanboy. But I do have a little bit, so I could probably sell out of that.
Well, if you
Joker, good morning.
Elon, yeah, ask him if that's the same glue he uses on his rockets.
Could you imagine? You're shooting up into space and the panels are like falling off because they're glued on. So that's funny.
Elon, what happened? We need a better glue.
All the money these people got and they're using freaking glue. Like all those billionaires went to the bottom of the ocean and they're in a little tin can with an Xbox controller.
Yeah.
Like how many billionaires do they have there? And this is what y'all came up with?
Mm. You can't laugh at that, but
I can. I mean, that's
the Xbox. The Xbox controller was a little sad. Even if it served the purpose, you still could have done it with something better. If that's what they used.
Like that's where you want to save on the budget? Joker, any good trades today? Kind of a tricky market, just slowly to the upside.
I think if these guys were awake in the middle of the night, they would have caught the bottom at 4 or 5 in the morning, 6 in the morning. But you know, you can't watch the markets all day long.
Looking at this, you would think, surely this is going to tank here. Let's see. They'll probably still go up. Push up, come back, try to push again, fail, come down, make new lows. Got all the buyers trapped.
Hey, Sparky, how are you? Scared me. Yeah, I mean, like I said before, if you're looking at the 4-hour chart here, since the beginning of September, there really hasn't been any significant pullbacks. The two big ones that stick out, both of them were on news, and they didn't last. They didn't last more than a couple of hours. Other than that, you're talking 266 down to, you're talking 150, 200 point pullbacks. That's about all you can look for, and that's been in the last month.
Yeah, the problem is that
that's on the 4-hour chart.
Sooner or later, the market's going to drop.
Well, yeah, sooner or later, but wait till you see some evidence of that.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Of course, sooner or later, the volatility is going to come back, but
I don't really need evidence because I don't care if it drops.
Yeah, no evidence.
I'm not looking to short.
We don't need no fucking evidence.
I need no fucking evidence. I'm not looking to short.
Fuck your evidence.
I'm looking for this to drop down here at a decent value, and then I want to buy it. That's all I care about.
It's not a grocery store. Just because price went down doesn't mean you're getting value. I've heard that so often.
I would maybe disagree. Make your point.
Me?
Yeah.
I gotta go refill my coffee. I'll be back.
I'll agree that just because price goes down don't mean you're getting a great value. But I try to stick to the S&P stocks. So you're talking the 500 largest companies that have kind of proven themselves. Does that mean it's still not going to crash? No, it does. We see a lot of, actually, a lot of people don't know this, but there's a lot of S&P companies right now that are down 40, 50, 60%. There are a lot of companies that historically have done great that are doing really terrible right now.
Just a good entry here. Entry location for the bot.
So what are we at? I'd like to see the NQ at around 22,300. Yeah. I'd be down about a little over 10%. That's where I'd like to start buying. Historically, if you start buying companies that are down 10%, great companies, historically, you'd have made a killing. You know what the problem is?
No.
Nobody wants to buy when they're down 10%. Everybody wants to buy when they're up 20%. That's why they lose money.
Isn't that true? That is crazy true.
Investing is the only time that people go to the store and say, "No, I don't want to buy it on discount. I want to buy it.
I want to pay more.
I want to buy it when it's double the price." Or we could sell you this $100,000 car for $50,000. No way. Why would I do that? Or we could sell you this $100,000 car for $250,000. Oh shit, yeah. Butter stunts. I think unless I'm gonna actively scalp this, I'm not making my money back. Butter stunts. I don't know if you're looking at the same candles I am, man, but there's wicks everywhere. This looks like a nightmare to me. Mike, you ever lay in bed at night and have nightmares about wicks?
No. But I did get inspiration from my bot the other day on the toilet.
Well, shit.
Oh, I had another spider experience. I went out to throw out the garbage, and you know when the spiders make those spider webs that go all the way across, and you walk and you get face planted with a spider web?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
They get you?
They got me. I came back with cotton candy on my face.
I'm telling you, we got the banana spiders here, man. They're freaking huge. Make these huge webs, and you just walking along and run into it.
Yeah, no, if that was the case, I would have a broom with me, and as I walk, I would just be going up and down with the broom. Oop, oop, oop.
Some of them banana spiders, they get about the size of your face.
You're joking. Oh my God, I would, that's it. I would be insane. You would have to put me in a hospital for the clinically insane if something like that ever happened to me. I would never recover psychologically.
And then some of the webs are kind of thick too, so you get this web and it's stuck to your face. May or may not have this huge banana spider on it. And you're like trying to pull it off, it's like sticking to you. Wait till you're walking through the woods and that happens. Butters, I had a dream last night. I had to drive a short bus full of special kids across the country, non-stop, no sleep. So I guess the obvious question there was me and Mike on the short bus?
Were we the special kids?
And if we were, who else was there? Was Joker there? Was what about Skeletor? Maybe Bama? He might have been on the short bus. Too old? Oh, man. Could drive my own short bus then.
You're never too old to be on the special bus. Hey, wow! Look at the bot. Oh, nice trade.
I don't know if I ever told you all this, but me and my kids' bus drivers are not friends. Something about bus drivers, they're just too angry. No, I tell you that about, but I got family that's bus drivers. Something about that bus driver is just too angry. A lot of bus drivers are nice. Mike, your kids, right? They go to school, and the first person they see in the morning, last person they see in the evening. Should be a friendly face, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man. I don't think any of the kids are happy to see that lady.
Okay, my wife texted me, but damn, Mike, you're in for 12. Yeah, I was saying that's the bot, and it accumulates 10 times. It will add 10 times to the trade. Of course, you can set it. You can set it to 3 times, 6 times, 1 time, whatever you want. Right now, I have it set for 10 times. It's taking 3 lots as the original position. You can change that to 1, 2, 3. It's too aggressive. It's trading on sim. I said it before. You shouldn't be making 1,200 a day. But, you know, it's just a setting, you know. I'm aware at the numbers that's being used. See, now it just went to 15. I'm just tracking it now. That's all, really. But it's having a really good day today, and we're close to the band, so I'm comfortable. I like this trade. I'm comfortable where it is. It's not going to get hurt too much. And I'm just trying to see how much it can make. Again, divide by 3, because it's taking 3 lots each time. So if you just set it to 1, you'd be at a 5 lot now instead of a 15 lot. If you set it to 10, you'd be at a 50 lot now, and your numbers would be 3,000 for the day already. Yeah, I'm just tracking it. If I were to actually do it on an eval, I would do it at a 1 lot. And I would disable it if we got extended from the bands. because again, the stop is under, when you're long, the stop is under the band, so you can take quite a large loss there as you accumulate your positions and keep drifting lower. So it's kind of a dangerous area to enter trade. It's actually it's a good time to start taking counter trend trades, because eventually it is going to reverse, especially with the Renkos, and you're going to catch a nice big winner. Okay, let's go see what my wife is. 7 messages in the last few minutes.
Dang.
And William sent me a message. I don't even know William. And I got 25 more likes. I think the video with my daughter's face, the short, got 25 more likes. She's really killing it on that one. Let's go take a look. I got nothing to do anyways.
I think before we look for another trade or something, we got to see this market go somewhere. Break out of this range.
Oh, we'll talk about it later. It's 12 o'clock. I think we're going to cut off because I don't know, unless you want to stay. That's funny. Unless you want to stay on, I think I'm going to cut out. It's just maybe let the bot close out its trade, and then I think I'll take off.
Yeah, I guess I'll head out. See what else I want to do with my day.
Come over and help my wife with all her special projects that she has planned now that she's home this week.
We don't know how long this is just going to trade sideways.
Oh shit, I didn't change the thumbnail for today. No, I meant to.
What are you going to change it to?
For the live. Change it to back to you and me. I'll use that for shorts and videos maybe every now and then, but not for the live. I just wanted to try it and see what I get. But yeah, that was the point. Yeah, anyways, doesn't matter. Mike's got lots of stuff. Yeah. Oh, there she is. Oh, that's JC. I thought that was Mike Stunts laughing at me. Hey, you're not supposed to be listening. I'm supposed to be able to talk about you without you hearing.
The funny thing is, when she said Mike's, I thought she was talking about Mike Stunts. All right, let's do it then.
Yeah. Okay, just give me half a sec. Okay, so let's close it out. Close. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, yeah, anyways, I can do the rest later. Guys, thanks for hanging out with us today. Appreciate it, even though we don't say it during the stream too often. We do appreciate that you guys hang out with us. It's always better to stream with you guys here. And we'll be streaming again tomorrow. I will try my best to get on before 9:15, maybe around 9 o'clock. And other than that, see you tomorrow. Thanks again.
Guys, appreciate you. Bama, later. Butter Stunts, later. Like Mike said, appreciate y'all hanging out. Skeletor, later. Appreciate y'all hanging out. Appreciate y'all's input on the market. Well, JC, later. Discounts. Hey, y'all know the discounts on the prop firms, right? Bulenox, DayTrader. So, y'all want any of those, links in the description. Everything's like 90%.
Yeah, DayTrader's still 90%.
Believe so.
Yeah, that's a good deal.
I
like DayTrader.com.
You want to hang?
I'm going to trade him tomorrow.
You want to hang for 2 seconds so I can give you a confirmation on that. What do we got? Products. That one. Yep, still 90%. $37. Can't beat that.
Yeah.
One-time payment.
Yeah, one-time fee.
You can't beat that at all. And the if you pass the
that's funny.
the fee to go pro is a lot cheaper than Bulenox, so you can actually buy an eval and go pro. All right, guys. Appreciate y'all. Mike's telling me we gotta get out of here. Later, guys.
Okay.
The trading is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and future still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. The trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and future still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled, now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and future still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled, now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and future still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. with NASDAQ's rhythm. The grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled, now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done, the charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled, now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, The grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt,